Hi kids, I'm teacher Stephie, your online reading teacher. Welcome to Reading Stories. Today we will read food stories. Let's read each story, then answer the questions. Tim and an apple. Tim had an apple. Again, Tim had an apple. Now you read. Good job. The apple was red. Again, the apple was red. Now you try. Nice reading. Tim took a bite. Again, Tim took a bite. Now you read. Very good. He said yum. Again, he said yum. Now you try. Good job. What did Tim have? What color was the apple? Mia has soup. Mia had some soup. Again, Mia had some soup. Now you read. Good job. The soup was hot. Again, the soup was hot. Now you try. Nice reading. Mia blew on it. Again, Mia blew on it. Now you read. Very good. Then she ate it. Again, then she ate it. Now you try. Good job. What did Mia have? Was the soup hot or cold? Ben and rice. Ben had some rice. Again, Ben had some rice. Now you read. Good job. He sat at the table. Again, he sat at the table. Now you try. Nice reading. Ben had a spoon. Again, Ben had a spoon. Now you read. Very good. He ate the rice. Again. He ate the rice. Now you try. Good job. What did Ben have? What did Ben eat with? Ava makes toast. Ava had some toast. Again. Ava had some toast. Now you read. Good job. She put jam on it. Again. She put jam on it. Now you try. Nice reading. The jam was sweet. Again. The jam was sweet. Now you read. Very good. Ava ate it all. Again. Ava ate it all. Now you try. Good job. What did Ava have? What did she put on it? Sam drinks milk. Sam had some milk. Again. Sam had some milk. Now you read. Good job. It was in a cup. Again. It was in a cup. Now you try. Nice reading. Sam took a sip. Again. Sam took a sip. Now you read. Very good. Then he had a grin. Again. Then he had a grin. Now you try. Good job. What did Sam have? What was the milk in? Great job reading today. See you next time.